Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Chrome YouTube open step by step. Open Chrome and type YouTube. Com in the address bar, then press enter to load the site. If you want personalized content, click sign in and enter your Google credentials. Next, use the search box to find a video, click a result to play, and adjust quality in the player if playback stutters. Open Chrome settings from the three-dot menu and select Privacy and Security to manage site settings. Confirm JavaScript is allowed for YouTube. COMSO menus and playback controls function. In extensions, toggle off any ad blockers or script blockers that break video loading. Finally, clear cache if pages fail to load and relaunch Chrome to apply changes for smoother YouTube use. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long editing or binge sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for that. Now let's get back to the video. For smoother viewing, pick a suitable video quality in the player menu and enable captions when useful. If extensions cause issues, try incognito mode, which disables most add-ons by default. Subscribe to channels you like to populate your homepage and use the library to revisit playlists quickly. These steps help you open YouTube reliably in Chrome and keep watching without constant interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.